Welcome! If you're having trouble downloading videos from Pinterest, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry. Today, we'll walk through some effective steps to resolve it. Let's dive right in. First, close the app and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix minor glitches that prevent downloads from completing. Just swipe the app away and launch it again. Next, it's crucial to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can lead to download failures. To do this, open your device's settings, then click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong mobile data signal. If your internet seems fine, the next step is to check your network status. Sometimes network issues can arise that are beyond your control. If you suspect this might be the case, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Another useful tip is to ask the sender to resend the video. Occasionally, the problem may lie with the video itself or how it was shared. A fresh resend can sometimes clear up any issues. If you're still having trouble, it's time to clear the app cache. From your device settings, navigate to Pinterest settings, then click on Clear Data. After that, choose Clear Cache and confirm this action. This step helps remove any corrupted files that may be causing download problems. Once you've cleared the cache, it's a good idea to restart your device. This allows all changes to take effect properly. After restarting, open the Pinterest app again and try downloading the video one more time. Following these steps should help you get back to saving your favorite content without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy pinning!